Hi guys, this is Millie, my Staffordshire. She's about 4 years old now. Instagram. Now, I don't know if you've heard, but Instagram is changing completely. They said it's becoming a video app rather than a photo app. And I tested quite a few things in the last couple of weeks, and I found that my one channel or page or whatever you want to call it with regards to Instagram grew 9,500% with regards to the reach. And I want to tell you how I did that in this video. I've got about 5 great tips for you guys. You want to catch the ball, hey? You want to catch the ball? Where's the ball? Huh? Huh? Come on, pitch. First tip for you guys, and it's the good old one, is hashtags. Hashtags is still relevant, still very important. Let me go show you where I replanted these veggies yesterday. So this is the start of my new veggie garden. This is where I replanted the spinach yesterday. Some of them are starting to stand up already. As you can see, some of them are still flat down. And over there are my chili plants. So those are chilies. Can't wait to eat from them. And I've got some fennel, and then some new stuff will come up there. The other thing I encourage you guys to do is to do those live sessions. Get used to it, to speak to the camera. Get used to doing those live. Let your audience ask you questions or just chat to them about something, a specific subject or whatever you guys like. Look who decided to join. Hey boy. This is where I took the chili plants out. It's at my front door at my house. I've got 2 pots here by my front door. That's a chili plant from last year. It's starting to push new leaves. And that's the old one. I've got some rosemary growing from stems, which I'm going to plant over there to grow like a little hedge. And Millie still wants to play ball. Thank you, Milla. Sorry for the echo here on my front porch. Who's here next to me? Hey, Snow. Hello. The third thing you guys can do is to educate your clients. Give those brides tips. Give your clients tips, whether it's by stories or posts or whatever way you choose to do so. Give them tips and make them feel like they can learn something from you or gain something from following you. Full of cats here, and here is Millie again. The fourth one, guys, is to collaborate. Collaborate with people on Instagram, on YouTube, whoever you can find to collaborate with. A couple of weeks ago, I had a collaboration and it did so much for my Instagram page. So find people to collaborate and build your network. It will do wonders for your Instagram account. And nice to end of this video in the office. The last thing, guys, Instagram Reels. Like I said at the beginning of the video, Instagram is going towards being a video app rather than a photo sharing app. And I want to encourage you to start experimenting as a photographer with video and play around with it and start making those reels. One of my videos on my Learn with Kobus, which at the time had like 700 followers, it now has almost like, I think it's over 1,100 followers, and it's because that one reel went and had like, I think it was 82 or 83,000 views, and so I gained a lot of followers. Guys, play with these 5 tips I just gave you. It will grow your channel. Be faithful in it and keep trying, keep trying. Some of the reels might fail, some of the hashtags might fail, some of the collabs might even fail. But if you keep going, your channel will grow so much faster. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.